ऑल राइट, 3, 2, 1, लेट्स डू इट। यार एक बात तो, हाँ सर आप तो करो, इतनी प्यारी तारी ले, हाँ वेरी गुड। अगेन इन 3, 2, 1, विल डू इट। ये गाइज, माय नेम इज रोहन, आई विल बी योर होस्ट फॉर टुडे। एंड आज हम थैंक यू बोलने वाले हैं। थैंक यू आप सबको, थैंक यू पब्लिक को, थैंक यू एग्जिबिटर्स को, क्योंकि आप सब जानते हैं कुछ ऐसा हुआ है जिसने सब कुछ हिला दिया है। 1000 करोड़, जोरदार तालियां। और बेस्ट पार्ट क्या है, ये इवेंट दिल्ली में क्यों हो रहा है? दिल्ली में अगर कुछ भी हलचल होती है पूरे इंडिया तक वो न्यूज पहुंच जाती है, लेकिन जब तहलका मचा है तो ग्लोबली आज ये न्यूज पहुंचनी चाहिए। सो जितने भी मीडिया वाले हैं सबको पहले तो वेलकम, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग इन। एंड आज बहुत कुछ होने वाला है। अगर आप लोगों को याद हो, जब पुष्पा 1 आई थी तो क्या आग लगी थी। 2021 की हाईएस्ट ग्रॉसर इंडिया की बन गई थी, और अब ग्लोबली 6 दिन में 1000 करोड़। सर मैंने आपको चिकन खाते हुए देखा है बाहर, इतना चिकन खाने के बाद भी अगर आप ताली नहीं बजाओगे तो गलत बात है। कैप वाले सर एक बार आप बजाओ स्पेशली ताली। सो आई थिंक आज एनर्जी जो है वो अपने को हाई रखनी है। आई नो आप लोग बहुत सीनियर हैं, आप बोल, मैं कौन होता हूं आपको बोलने वाला ताली बजाओ, बट अगर आप एनर्जी हाई रखेंगे तो आज मजा भी आएगा। एंड अगर हम मजे की बात करें, सो पटना का इवेंट आप लोगों ने फॉलो किया था, कुछ ऐसा देखा था कभी? मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि उस इवेंट में हमको रियलाइज हो गया था कि क्या होने वाला है। 2.5 लाख से ज्यादा लोग, 2.5 लाख प्लस पीपल, एंड वहां पर बिफोर द रिलीज हमें पता था कि ऐसा कुछ हमें देखने को मिलेगा। सो आई थिंक एक बार उसको रिविजिट किया जाए। आर यू गाइज रेडी? यार नहीं करेंगे यार, ऐसे तो मजा नहीं आएगा यार। आर यू गाइज रेडी? सीटी किस किस को बजानी आती है? एक बार सीटी बजाते सारे, 3, 2, 1 पे जितनों को आती है। 3, 2, 1, हियर वी गो। ये बात। कैन वी हैव द पटना फुटेज प्लीज? यस यस, आई थिंक नथिंग कैन बी बिगर एज ग्रैंड एज दिस, जो इंडियन सिनेमा में हुआ है। एंड हम सब ने विटनेस किया है इसको। आई थिंक वी आर ऑल्सो लकी, एंड टुडेज इवेंट इज टू एम्बार्क, यू नो, वी विश टू थैंक एवरीवन जो गए, जिन्होंने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया, जिन्होंने पब्लिश किया, जिन्होंने इसके बारे में बात करी। कई लोगों ने अगर किया तो कोई बात नहीं, 1000 करोड़ पार हो चुका है। सो 1000 CR इज अ वेरी बिग नंबर, एंड इन 6 days आई थिंक इसको अचीव करना अपने आप में ये ऐसी हिस्ट्री बुक्स में आ गया है जिसको बहुत टाइम लगेगा ब्रेक करने में। सो वी हैव अ स्मॉल थैंक यू 1000 करोड़ फॉर थैंकिंग 1000 करोड़। कैन वी हैव द प्रोमो फॉर, यू नो? ओके, कोई है अभी यहां पे जिसने नहीं देखी है? भाई आप हो, आपने भी देखी? सर क्या कह रहे हो? नहीं देख? इनका खाने का टोकन किसने इशू किया था? कहां है वो? वो भी वापस कर दो हमें टोकन भी। बट ऑन अ वेरी सीरियस नोट, आई थिंक मैंने मूवी देखी एंड आई लव्ड इट। इंडियन सिनेमा में इतना ग्रैंड कुछ बहुत टाइम बाद देखने को मिला। इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द डायलॉग्स, एक्टिंग, एवरीथिंग आपको ऐसा लगता है हर मोमेंट पे कभी गूज़बम्स आ रहे हैं, कभी आपको ऐसा लगेगा वाओ क्या शॉक वैल्यू ऐड हुई है, कभी, एंड इनफैक्ट आप विश्वास करोगे मेरी बात पे, जो लास्ट सीन होता है ना जब वो कार्ड देने आते हैं, इवन आई क्राइड। सो इतना इमोशन से वो मूवी होल्ड करती है ना, दैट मुझे नहीं लगता है कि और कोई मूवी में इतने मिक्स ऑफ इमोशंस हमने देखे हैं। तो एक बार फिर से जोरदार तालियां, कम ऑन। वेरी नाइस। So can we have the promo? Yes, wildfire guys, wildfire. आप लोग एनर्जी लो मत होने दो, ना अपनी ना हॉल की ना मेरी, प्लीज कम ऑन। अच्छा, लेट्स डू अ क्विक चैट सेशन। जिसने देख लिया है उसके लिए लेट्स रिविजिट द मूवी। कौन सा आपका फेवरेट सीन था? हैंड रेज, या कम ऑन। सॉरी, यस यस यस, दैट वन अगेन। और कौन सा आपका फेवरेट सीन था? हैंड्स अप एंड यस सर प्लीज। Oh, hi, helicopter scene, yes, for sure. Ma Kali wala, yes, please. Arre, guys, hold on for a second. Please welcome. Yes, as loud as you can go. Come on. We have the icon star in house, Allu Arjun. All right, big round of applause, guys. All right, guys, please have a seat. Please have your seats. Yes. Guys, please settle down, everyone. Please settle down, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, all the media persons. Please have your seat. Yes, requesting everyone to please settle down. सर आपकी फोटो मैं दिलवाऊंगा बढ़िया प्लीज सर मैं दिलवाऊंगा मेरी गारंटी है थैंक यू एवरीवन प्लीज सेटल डाउन एट द बैक ऑलराइट थैंक यू अनु सर हम जब रिविजिट कर रहे हैं मूवी को सो वी जस्ट हाईलाइटिंग कौन कौन से बेस्ट मूवमेंट्स रहे उनके सो कोई बोल रहा था या यस प्लीज इनकी आवाज मुझ तक पहुंचा दो एक मिनट रुक जाओ फिर अभी लेट लेट पीपल सेटल डाउन या यस 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 सिक्योरिटी प्लीज इसको क्लियर करवा दीजिए फॉर द बैक पीपल एट द बैक या Yes, please, everyone in the front of the stage, please take your seats, settle down. Yes, sir, please. Thank you. Yes, guys, people at the back, you have to be loud. आपको बोलना पड़ेगा तेज कौन सा हाँ ब्लैक हुडी आप बता रहे थे व्हाट्स योर फेवरेट सीन यस ओ यस द एंट्रेंस सीन यस 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 और कोई एनीवन क्लाइमैक्स सीन आप रोए क्या क्लाइमैक्स सीन में मेरे आंसू टपके थे यार यू ऑल्सो क्राइड यस आई थिंक वो इमोशंस जो थे दैट केम आउट वेरी वेल बट आई थिंक वी ऑल शुड अगेन वेलकम अनु सर इन प्लीज अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज एंड जो सीटीओ की प्रैक्टिस करी थी एक बार फिर से कम ऑन ऑल द विसल्स टुगेदर यस थैंक यू सो मच सो नाउ विल मूव फॉरवर्ड एंड would love to invite the exhibitors on stage. We have a small AV that we can play first. Can we have the AV, please? I think, guys, ये साफ साफ दर्शाता है कि पिछले 6 दिनों में क्या हुआ है. Everyone had the same expression, उसी aggression के साथ उन्होंने इस मूवी को enjoy किया है. So thank you so much to the producers for this and thank you India कि आप लोगों की वजह से इतना बड़ा हो पाया. And I wish to call on stage अनिल धड़ानी जी जिनकी वजह से आई थिंक आप तक हम तक ये मूवीज पहुंचती हैं सर है ओवरसीज इंडिया में तभी हम लोग जाके थिएटर्स में आराम से एंजॉय कर पाते हैं सर प्लीज बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर अनिल सर कैन वी हैव द माइक यस सर क्या हो गया ये 6 दिनों में How do you see, sir? 1,000 CR in 6 days. What's your take on the same? आपको expected था पहले से कुछ ऐसा होने वाला है एक रेज क्रिएट होने वाली है या आपके लिए भी this is like oh God 6 days 1,000 CR क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
So I think I would have been surprised if this film didn't achieve all these records and set new benchmarks. I would like to thank the audiences world over for showering so much love on this film. I think this is all an achievement because of all the hard work put in by the online icon star Alu and the offline star that we have, Sukumar sir. Their dedication has paid off, and also these new benchmarks that have been set. I'm so glad that I'm a part of this historical film, thanks to my producers, Naveen ji and Ravi ji. I hope that this love continues and we set newer records.
Right, thank you so much, sir. And what's next? अभी क्या चल रहा है दिमाग में? 6 days ही हुए हैं अभी मूवी को, almost 7 days हुए. So क्या देख रहे हैं? What's your vision? इसके बाद कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम?
I think all eyes set on the 2000 mark
Yeah.
soon enough.
Yes, obviously, sir. Fingers crossed, and we all hope that mark will come soon. Sir, I wish to call on stage few exhibitors as well. So. Yes. Okay. Thank you, guys. Please, big round of applause for Anil sir. Thank you so much, sir. Now, I wish to call on stage Mr. Ashutosh Agarwal ji, Star World Cinemas, UP. जोरदार तालियां सर के लिए. Sir, please. Shashank ji from Delight Cinemas, Delhi. Romit Kapoor ji from Surf Cinemas, Agra. जोरदार तालियां. मैं बता दूं, इन लोगों के वजह से ही आप जाके देख के आ पाते हो. इनके लिए ज्यादा तालियां चाहिए. Nimit Agarwal ji from Shri Cinemas, Agra. Pranav Garg ji from Maya Cinemas, Muzaffarnagar, UP. And Sanjay Kaul ji from M2K Cinemas, Delhi. Can I have everyone on stage, please?
Hello all, everybody. I am Shashank Rayazada, representing Delight Cinema and Delight Diamond in Delhi. I have been screening movies distributed by Mr. Anil Thadani since Chalte Chalte. That was his first movie. As far as Pushpa is concerned, when Pushpa 1 was being released, I used to tell my people that this picture is going to do something unheard of. Nobody used to believe me. And we started screening with a less number of shows and it grew. As far as Pushpa 2 is concerned, it has had a historical run. It has really beaten all records. The collections, we have got 1,200 seats, 1,200 seats. And on 1,200 seats, in the first week, we have crossed 92%. Nearly 1,000 people coming to see this movie every show. And even on the 8th day today, my matinee show would be still 85% plus. So it's a mind-blowing collection. This kind of a collection we used to see in old times with movies like Mere Gaon, Mere Desh, Arzu, Jangli. Those were the movies whereby we could say that all the 28 shows are full and continuously, and people had to be literally pushed around that, look, we don't have any seats. So I really thank Shri Allu Arjun ji and the entire team, the director Shri Sukumar ji and the producers and Shri Anil Thadani ji and Shri Surinder Paul ji, who is representing the Delhi office, thanking that they keep on giving such movies to our theaters and we keep on achieving bigger records. Thank you very much.
Check. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, what would you like to say?
Good afternoon, everyone. This side Dr. Pranav Garg from Maya Multiplex Cinema, Muzaffarnagar. First of all, sir, Pushpa एक नाम नहीं, एक brand है. And apart from that, very, very warm thanks from the exhibitor fraternity. What I can just do, shower my love and affection upon you, is this. We cinema are just providing service, but what matters really is the content. And the content by, in the supervision of Mr. Sir, that is Mr. Aluk Sir. He is again a brand, a fire brand. What I can say, not a wildfire, it'll be a fire out of control. People who are the cinema, like what I have a passion right now, they want the tickets at any price. We are running 8 shows because of the length. It's extremely cold, but I'm so glad people tell me at 2 a.m. in the morning, ki, sir, we are ready to pay. We want the show to continue. But because we have to go in for maintenance also, we have to have cleanliness also, we are unable to project the next show, which is late night show. But we are trying, and with the hard work you have doing, I can only say कि Pushpa झुकेगा नहीं साला. Pushpa is not national now, it is international. And we can just hope कि again the sky would be the last limit for the success of Pushpa. This is a family business. My grandfather made this cinema in 1945. Somehow cinema, single screen cinema were not surviving. My father took again a motive to make a new cinema. I was blessed. I made it into a multiplex, and everything went wrong after COVID. We were very disappointed, but again, a day which I cannot forget would be 17th of December 2001.
Yes.
With Pushpa, we were back. And because my cinema opened somewhere around about 14th of February 2022. I got lots of criticism from my family members that you wasted 5 crores on renovation of the cinema. But with Pushpa, we knew we would set an example. Public loved you, sir. They were crying. They were like, when I was seeing a Kali role, what a passion, what a hard work. Your dance is absolutely incredible. I can go on for tonight. I can't stop. And sir, I don't know whether I'm right or wrong. We belong to Muzaffarnagar, and that is famous for Revdi and Gajak. My father reached yesterday from Delhi to Muzaffarnagar around about 8 o'clock. And when he knew that this was an event, he had sent a token of love for you, sir. So, because of you, cinema is gonna survive, and we all know you were a superstar, you are a superstar, and Anil sir is making excellent projects. Sukumar sir has been very, very innovative. So, extremely thankful, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. आपकी ये रेवड़ी गजक हम पहुंचा देंगे वहां तक. आप दे दीजिएगा. Okay, so he's all asking. Yeah, thank you. Can you please pass it on? Oh, you can also go here. Guys, big round of applause. मुजफ्फरनगर की रेवड़ी एंड गज्जक. अल्लू सर ट्राई करने वाले. वाओ, what a moment, yeah. Thank you so much, sir. So you can also, if you wish to. Yeah.
Hello, sir. My name is Romit Kapoor. I'm from Agra. I'm playing 7 screens, and 7 screens only Pushpa 2 is going on. I must say that you have played a great legacy from Pushpa to Pushpa 2, from crores to 1,000 crores. And I'm just waiting for that moment which I'm going to see that Pushpa 3 is already breaking the record in public's heart. Thank you very much, Sukumar sir, for giving me such a good content to everyone. Everyone loves you, touched with the family emotions which you have given it. And once again, congratulations. Thank you very much to all of us for giving me such a good record.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your kind words. Yes.
Hi, sir. My name is Ashutosh Agarwal. I belong to Prayagraj, and I have 12 properties in 31 screens. I don't know how to speak in front of public, but whatever I can say, I can tell you that in 6 days, my net collections are 1.75 crores, which is a historic.
Wow.
record. Never before seen such collections in my life. My
Wow.
career is only 25 years. I have not seen such collections. And one story I would like to share with you that happened in front of me. You've made every public a Pushpa. Everybody in the theater feels like a Pushpa. I went to the theater first day, 500-seater, it was jam-packed. In the interval, I see one guy sitting with his lap on the next seat. The usher goes and stops him till they take your leg down. He says, Pushpa, fire nahi hai, flower nahi hai, fire hai. So this is what you have made. You have made the public ka Pushpa. So hats off to you, hats off to Maitri Movies, hats off to Allu sir, Anil sir, and please, we're waiting for the part 3, and fingers crossed for 2,000 crores. All the
Yes.
best.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, yes, please hold the mic a little closer, yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Nimit from Shri Cinema Agra. I just want to say one thing. We have a single screen cinema. It is a 860-seater cinema. So till yesterday, we have 100% occupancy. All 28 shows were houseful,
Wow.
back to back.
Great, sir.
Almost 3,500 people per day.
Wow.
So Pushpa rocks, seriously. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sanjay, and I come from M2K Cinema. It's in Delhi, in the north Delhi, basically. We have 2 locations, 5 screens. First 6 days, 100% occupancies, 25 shows back to back. One thing I would like to mention is that right now, Delhi experiences a lot of cold. It's too chilly. But the morning shows in our cinema start before 8, and the last shows is at midnight. And all are full. So
Wow.
this is a great achievement. If I talk about the figures, in the first 6 days, sir, we have done more than 10% of the business of this fiscal year, the financial year. The movies in the past were not doing so well, but then the 6 days have actually turned around, fantastically well for us. I think thank you to you, sir, Allu sir. Thank you to Sukumar sir. Thank you to Anil sir. And I think thank you to everybody who's, looked at this movie for a long time. Just a couple of more reactions to share. We are very digitally, we promote our cinemas digitally. In 1 week, we had more than 2.5 million reach for the digital promotions that we did. The engagements
Wow.
were approximately
Guys, big round of
100,000,
applause, yeah, come on.
75,000 plus engagements in 1 week for this movie. And the contest we run, we could not respond to those. Thank you very much, sir. I have 2 things to say before I close. One is that this movie has done the fastest 1,000 crores, and I wish you the fastest 2,000 crores. Second thing, the question is in my eyes, is Pushpa 3, the date. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, all.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Ashutosh
everyone.
ji, thank you so much. Shashank ji.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Romit ji, Nimit ji, Pranav ji, and Sanjay ji. Thank you so much. Big round of applause, guys. Please, sir. Yeah. Thank you, sir. स्पीकर चालू करा दीजिए पीछे उस तरफ का लास्ट में ऑडियो एक बस या ओए जस्ट अ मिनट थैंक यू नाउ कैन यू चेक नाउ इज फाइन कैन यू चेक वंस check is it fine now can we have the IT team yeah sound team yeah he's coming थोड़ा तेज बोल लें हम अगर आवाज नीचे नहीं yes for sure yeah all right guys we are fixing the sound there till the time let's have some music यार ऐसी एनर्जी नहीं come on be wildfire guys come on big energy चलो एक बार हम सारे बोलते हैं एक साथ ठीक है एवरीवन हरगिज झुकेगा नहीं साला एवरीवन टुगेदर ओके ऑन द काउंट ऑफ 3 वी विल डू इट 3 2 1 हरगिज झुकेगा नहीं साला वेरी नाइस गाइस थैंक यू सो मच अंगारों का देखो जरा बॉयज के चेहरों पे कैसी स्माइल आई है सो आई विल हैव सम म्यूजिक गाइस अंगारों का कैन वी हैव द म्यूजिक गाइस जोरदार तालियां एक बार फिर से कम ऑन एंड अगर आप सोच रहे थे कि ये वीडियो वो वीडियो क्यों नहीं है जो हमने मूवी में देखी हमने आपकी इमेजिनेशन पे छोड़ दिया आप हर एक सीन पर याद कर पा रहे होंगे वहां पे क्या शॉट चल रहा था इतना ग्रैंड ये म्यूजिक वीडियो था सो सबने इमेजिन किया वो शॉट, जब वो हाथी पे शॉट आता है, देन वॉकिंग, एवरीवन एंजॉयड. सो लेट्स टॉक, लेट्स एक बात करते हैं आप लोगों से, बिकॉज द मीडिया पर्सन आर हियर. आप लोग ज़्यादा देर चुप रह नहीं पाते हैं, सो आप लोगों को ही बोलने का मन होगा. अगर हम आपसे पूछें कि व्हाट वाज योर फेवरेट सीन इन द मूवी, एक एक करके हाथ खड़ा करेंगे. आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं मूवी के बारे में? अनु सर को क्या बोलना चाहते हैं? विल क्विकली हैव योर टेस्टिमोनियल्स. यस, कैन वी हैव द माइक? Please give the mic. Yes. What's your name?
Bhavna from Times Now.
Yes.
First of all, many congratulations, Allu Arjun sir. Many congratulations. This is a first benchmark you have set in the industry. It's a great, great achievement. Many congratulations on that. And I've been a big fan since Arya and all. I've seen all your movies. So, wanted to ask, what was the Jathara sequence was the most difficult one, as you said. What were the efforts and the most difficult sequence apart from that? And this time Pushpa is international, so I wanted to know who's that international actor that you want to act with?
Ma'am, actually no questions, just your testimonial or your favorite scene from the movie.
My favorite scene is Jathara sequence.
Yes, thank you so much. Big round of applause.
Both of
Yes,
them.
at the back. Yes, at the back. उनको एक बार माइक दे दो. Just your favorite scene, और आप मूवी के बारे में क्या बोलना चाहते हैं?
My favorite scene was जब साड़ी पहन के अल्लू अर्जुन
Yes.
एक्शन करता है ना, that scene was like goosebumps. बहुत सही था वो सीन, बहुत अच्छा लगा था वहाँ पे आपका परफॉर्मेंस मुझे. That was
Thank
the
you.
best
What's your
scene.
name?
Yatin.
Yatin, thank you so much, Yatin. Yes, person at the back.
Hello, hello.
माइक
hello,
छीन
sir.
लिया उन्होंने आपके हाथ से. मुझे बोलना है.
आई एम योर बिग फैन, माय नेम इज सेजल. तो मेरे लिए तो पूरी मूवी ही एकदम, जहाँ पे अल्लू सर आए हैं पूरी मूवी हिट है. हर एक सीन, हर एक फाइट सीक्वेंस, हर एक चीज़ सर का बहुत, मतलब हर एक सीन में वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. लास्ट सीन में जब सर रोते हैं, इमोशनल हो जाते हैं, आई लाइक दैट सीन. मैं भी बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनल हो गई थी वो सीन देख के.
Oh. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, please.
Hello, sir. Vicky from Spice. When you purchased the 1,100 crore rupees helicopter, that was the fabulous scene, I believe. Well done, sir. Well done, and God bless you, sir.
Thank you so much. We'll come back again. We'll come back again. आप तीनों का हाथ मुझे याद है, अभी आपसे ही पूछूंगा मैं. But before that, we have a small AV. Can we play the AV, please? Yes, Wildfire. Big round of applause, guys. यार एनर्जी पीछे, हाँ आप लोग बैठे हुए हो आराम से. यस मैम, आप कुछ पहले आप जोरदार तालियां. कम ऑन. यस, कम ऑन. एक एक करके. आई वांट इट टू बी लाउड यार. कम ऑन पीपल एट द बैक. अल्लू अर्जुन सर आगे बैठे, आप लोग कहाँ हाथ अंदर रख के क्यों बैठे हो सर? बाहर निकालो इसे. हाँ, कम ऑन. थैंक यू सो मच. सो नाउ आई विश टू call on stage the producer of Pushpa to the Rule, Naveen ji and Ravi ji. Sir, please. Please, sir. Can we have the mic? सर, सबसे पहले तो एक बार आपसे भी मुझे वो चाहिए. एक बार झुकेगा नहीं साला. One more mic, please. Do we have? Yeah. सर, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप? मतलब यू आर द बिगेस्ट स्टेक होल्डर एंड इस तरह का रिस्पॉन्स आया. व्हाट विल बी योर वर्ड्स?
I want to thank all the exhibitors who came all the way here, and it's a great feat, and it's so touching when we hear the speeches of all the exhibitors.
So can you please little closer? Yeah.
Thank you, audience, entire India and worldwide, for making this huge success, and we are also wishing this to go to fastest 2000 also. Thank you.
सर, एक बार पहले आप वो बोलो. फायर नहीं, वाइल्ड फायर है. वन टाइम प्लीज.
फायर नहीं, वाइल्ड फायर.
फायर है.
Thank you, and thank you one and all. Firstly, I want to thank all our cast and crew who really worked very hard to achieve this rarest feat. And also I'm overwhelmed by seeing the response from the exhibitors. See, whenever we see the buyer or the exhibitor who exhibits our film in his respective theater, when we see them feeling very, very happy and proud, that's the moment where we feel very, very happy. Not, see, when it collects some X amount or Y amount, that is a different part. But by seeing the happiness in them, really we feel very, very happy. That is achieved with this film. We are very, very thankful to each and everyone, all the audiences across the world, from India, overseas, everywhere, all the Indians and all the, even some foreigners who can follow our language, Hindi and this thing, they are also watching in overseas. Thanks to each and everyone. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
थैंक यू सर. सर अलू सर सामने हैं, उनकी डेडिकेशन एंड हार्ड वर्क पे what will you say?
Anil sir is real asset for our film, and we are very, very thankful. Sorry. So, and also, this is also a point to be mentioned. Anil sir, he has done a fabulous job in releasing our film all across overseas as well as the Northern Belt. And he has done fabulous job. And these records wouldn't have happened without his dedication and this thing. Coming to our heroes, Allu Arjun sir. See, we have spoke about him in so many occasions, and I also want to speak about him here also in Delhi. So the work he has done, the hard work he has done, I can say no artist can do the hard work what he has done in this film. And you can't believe last climax, that thing has been shot for 32 days. Every day he used to wear a rope and with all the physiotherapists, everyone in the set, if something goes wrong. Why? Because we have planned the release date and we can't miss that. And he has done 32 days continuously that fight with all the dedication and hard work. He is fabulous. He is something else, I can say that.
Wow. Big round of applause, guys. Come on. Yes, sir.
Sukumar Garu, again, he's one of the most hardworking directors in India, and he eats, drinks, sleep, everything cinema, and he worked so hard for this film that last 100 days, I think he used to sleep 2-3 hours a day, and it is all because of all his vision and everything, we're able to enjoy this feat, and he is he's a magician, that's it.
Thank you so much, sir. Man of less words but more power. Sir, the whole media is here. 1,000 crore mark achieved, and we are running successfully. So what will be your words for the media, for the people who is loving Pushpa like anything?
Yeah, definitely that is a rarest feat, and we are very, very happy for that. And from now onwards, there will be many films coming in this scale and this dimension. Definitely, we will see more number of films in plus 1,000 crores and in near future. And from here, all our films, Indian films, not one industry, we'll see many films crossing 1,000 crore this thing.
But I doubt, sir, this fast, it's very tough to cross 1,000 crore in 6 days. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for joining in. Please, big round of applause for Ravi sir and Naveen sir. Thank you. So guys, अब आपको जिस पल का इंतज़ार था, जिनको आप यहाँ पे स्टेज पे देखने वाले हैं, आप लोग बहुत कामली यहाँ पे बैठे हैं. मैं जानता हूँ आप किस चीज़ का इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं. बट बिफोर दैट हम लोग बात कर रहे थे, वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द बेस्ट सीन. यस, आप बोलना चाह रहे थे. वन माइक प्लीज, वन माइक एट द बैक. One mic at the back, please. ऐसे ही बोल दो यार, चिल्ला के. हेलो, इतने हट्टे कट्टे ऐसे चिल्ला के बोलो. कोई जाओ ना. लो, पूरा देख लिया मुड़ के यार.
सर, पापा बहन सब फिल्म देखने गए थे आपकी. द इंटरवल सीन मेरे पापा को इतना ज्यादा मजा आया. इन द इंटरवल ही वॉज डिस्कसिंग फिल्म सीन मी. मतलब सर ऐसा कभी भी किसी भी फिल्म में नहीं हुआ है. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू थैंक यू कि आपकी वजह से उन्हें ये भरोसा हुआ है कि जो मैं कर रहा हूँ वो सही है. मेरी पूरी फैमिली ने आपको लव भेजा है. हमने आपकी सारी फिल्में देखी हैं, आर्या, अलवायकुंठापुरमुलो, एवरी फिल्म. वी जस्ट लव यू सर. अभी
Thank
मैं थोड़ा शेक कर रहा हूँ बट आई जस्ट love you sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You know, I recognized you from the clip because I saw it on my Instagram feed. Thank you. Yeah, I saw your feed. Yeah, you were on my feed.
Allu sir, even I want to share something.
Can you please once, it will be a dream come true. Can you
Thank you. We'll do it later. Thank you so much. Please have your seat. Thank you. Thank you so much. All right, guys. अब थोड़ी सी एनर्जी हाई चाहिए आप लोगों की. Come on. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Yes. और जोर से. Now make it loud यार. Come on, और जोर से. यहां तक आवाज नहीं आ रही, आपको वहां आ रही होगी. और जोर से. Because now is the time to welcome on stage the unstoppable fire, the king of swag, the dance machine, the record breaker, the trendsetter, and the dialogue king. With "Main jhukega nahi sala," echoing across the globe and fire lighting up every big and small screen. Please welcome the icon superstar Allu Arjun.
Namaste. Namaste. The first thing I would like to say is thank you, India.
Whoa!
Thank you.
जोरदार तालियां.
Thank you. सबके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you. Sorry. शुक्रिया. What do you say? धन्यवाद और शुक्रिया? धन्यवाद. Thank you. धन्यवाद. Because I just got overwhelmed by the crowd. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And I would like to thank the people from all across the country, from every state. People have showed immense love equally. So I would like to thank the entire nation for pouring this wildfire of love. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. ये love नहीं है, wild love है. Thank you. And पुष्पा नाम सुन के फ्लावर समझे क्या? फ्लावर नहीं, फायर है मैं. इस बार फायर नहीं, वाइल्ड फायर. Thank you. Thank you. And I would like to thank all the Indians across the globe for watching this film and pouring immense love. And also I would like to thank all the crossover audience who are watching Indian films from across the globe. Thank you so much. पुष्पा को national समझे क्या? इस बार international. Thank you. Thank you everyone. And most importantly, I would like to thank the entire team of Pushpa. My producers, Naveen Garu, Ravi Garu, my distributors, Anil Garu, and all my entire technicians, my artists, and above all, one man who made this entire success possible. All credit goes to, of course, everybody is a part of this credit. Credit goes to everybody, but if it all has to sum up, it sums up to one person's vision, and that's none other than my director, who's ruling Indian cinema box office. All my highest respects for my director. It is his success. It is none other than my director, Bandi Sukumar Reddy garu. It's purely his vision. It's purely his hard work and vision that has put us all at this level. Darling, on a personal note, thank you. I owe this entire credit just to you. All of us owe this credit to you. And I also, can I have some water, please? At the same time, I would like to thank the film industry across all the states. I'd like to first thank the Hindi film industry for being immense support to Pushpa 1. You know, Pushpa cannot be Pushpa without the support of the Hindi audience and the Hindi film industry. Each one of us have given so much love and support. So many directors, so many actors, technicians have poured in so much love and support on social media and making Pushpa 1 what it is. So I would like to thank the entire Hindi film industry for the support, and the Tamil film industry, and the Kannada film industry, the Bengali, the Malayali, and of course the Telugu film industry. They have given immense support, and they have accommodated us for the Pushpa release on this December 5th. Every industry, they've showed so much grace and so much love for us. I'd like to thank every industry from across the country for showing their love and support. Thank you. And also, I would like to thank, and also, I would like to thank the government from every state, the governments, the police department, and the media from every state for supporting this film. I would like to thank the government of India for supporting the film industry, because so much has been possible. It cannot be possible without the help of the government. So from the film industry, I would like to say thank you very much. And once again, what can I say? This is wild. Ye love nahi hai. Ye wild love hai. Thank you, India. Dhanyavad. Thank you, India. Thank you. Thank you. It's not just my victory. Believe me, it is our country's victory. That one film is celebrated across so many. That one film is celebrated in so many states. It shows the beauty of this country. I'm humbled to each and every one of you for being so generous. Thank you. Once again, thank you, India. That's all I can say. And not as Pushparaj, but as a simple Indian, I would like to say, as an Indian standing at the capital of this country, I would like to say that I believe India will lead the future of the world. India will be the leading country of the world. And ये नया भारत है. ये अब रुकेगा नहीं. ये कभी झुकेगा नहीं. जय हिंद.
Wow, thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, wish to have you on the stage for a minute more. And guys, it's just 30% of the thank you and dhanyavad, because 70% of the wildfire is still to come. Sir, please hold for a second. So the media persons are here. So what will be your words for the same? Because उन लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से इसको print किया है, telecast किया है. What would you like to say?
I'd like to thank the media from all the states. Thank you so much for your love and support. There's no way the movie can have this much reach without your love and support. So I'd like to thank all the medias across all the states. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Sir, हमने मीडिया से तो पूछा what's their favorite scene from the movie, but we wish to know what's your favorite scene from the movie. One scene.
And I'm saying this from the capital of the
Please
country.
maintain the decorum.
And every time I say it, right, it's not just, Pushpa for me is not just about myself. It's about the attitude of every Indian. I wanted to carry, whenever we say, how do I put it? To answer you, my favorite moment in Pushpa is I'm saying this as an Indian, not just as a character of Pushpa. Every single time I said, "मैं झुकेगा नहीं." And
Yeah!
I loved it. That's my favorite moment in the entire movie.
But sir, last question, sir. Pushpa 1 was झुकेगा नहीं साला. Pushpa 2, हरगिज झुकेगा नहीं साला. Pushpa 3.
हम रुकेगा नहीं साला.
Yeah! Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And we wish ये 1000 CR जो है ये अभी 7, 8, 10 में कन्वर्ट होता जाए and wildfire बढ़ती जाए.
Thank you. And about the 1000 number, I would like to say something. The 1000 number is a reflection of the people's love. The numbers are temporary, but the love that is etched in your hearts will remain forever. And thank you for that love.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I always believe that the numbers always have to be broken. And yes, I'll also tell you the truth that it's nice to be in this spot, you know, and to enjoy this state. You know, probably for 2-3 months, I'd like to be on this spot and enjoy all these records and everything. But within 2-3 months, maybe hopefully at the next summer, I would want all these records to be broken by the next. It doesn't matter which film industry, Telugu film industry, Tamil, Hindi, does not matter. But I want these records to be broken soon because that is progression. That means that India is going up. So I would like to say that I would like to wish everybody that, you know, these numbers should be broken as soon as possible, and that is growth. And I love growth. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, just one thing I would like to say. There are 37 crore 8,34,328 husbands in India.
Okay.
And उन सबके घर में लड़ाई चल रही है क्योंकि आपने एक फोटो के चक्कर में सीएम बदलवा दिया. एंड यहाँ पर लड़ाई इस बात की है कि तुम एक गुलाब लेकर नहीं आ सकते. 37 crore 8,34,328 husbands की कंप्लेंट है सर ये.
For all those, how many crores?
37 crore 8 lakhs
चलो
34
round figure दे दो, 38 बोल दो.
38 crore.
To all the 38 crore husbands, I'll tell you one thing. Listen to your wife.
एंड सर मेरे घर में एक छोटा सा कलेश हो गया, मुझे वो शेयर करना था आपको. मेरी बीवी ने कहा तुम्हारी गलती है, सॉरी बोल दो. मैं वो झुकेगा नहीं साला, 3 दिन से खाना बंद है.
वाइफ के सामने झुको.
यस, ये गुरु मंत्र है. वाइफ के सामने हर कोई झुकेगा.
नहीं, औरत के सामने झुको.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much. Very nice message. Sir, any last words before, for the media, any last words that you would like to say?
Thank you, India. Dhanyavad.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Alu sir. Please, big round of applause for Alu Arjun sir. And the way we practice, everyone, झुकेगा नहीं साला. Can we have a group picture with producers? Anil sir, please. Can we have a group photo? Picture. Naveen sir, Ravi sir, please, yes. Yes. Guys, group photo, yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah. So thank you so much. Guys, once again, thank you, India, for giving us the fastest 1,000 crore grosser. Keep showering your love. Keep watching and keep loving Pushpa 2 The Rule. Thank you so much. Have a good day.